Hey there, science fans. Have you ever dreamed of a magic pill? One that could cure diseases? I know I have. Especially when it comes to tricky conditions like multiple sclerosis, or MS. MS is a real brain drain, literally. It messes with the protective covering of our nerves, called myelin. Imagine your nerves are like electrical wires, and myelin is the insulation. Without it, those signals get all scrambled. But hey, don't despair. Scientists are on the case, and they're cooking up some pretty exciting possibilities in the lab. We're talking about potential treatments that could change the game for MS patients. So, buckle up, science enthusiasts.
Hold up. What are they testing? Are they testing on mice? Monkeys? What animal are they putting into?
We're about to dive into the world of cutting-edge research and explore a drug that just might be the breakthrough we've been waiting for.
Please, y'all, you know I slur all the time. If you ever watch my videos, I slur. This is my speech. I'm not faking it. This is actually how I talk. Back to the video.
Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, shall we? Our brains are packed with nerve cells called neurons. They send messages all over our bodies. These messages travel along long, skinny fibers called axons. Think of them as information superhighways. Now myelin is like the insulation that wraps around those axons. It helps those messages zip along quickly and efficiently. Without myelin, the signals get slowed down, disrupted, or even lost altogether. Not good. That's where MS comes in. In MS, the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks the myelin. It's like your immune system is having an epic identity crisis. This attack causes inflammation and damage to the myelin, leading to all sorts of problems with nerve function. Now let's meet some of the brilliant minds on a mission to crack the MS code. First up, we have Dr. Bruce Trapp, a neurology superstar. He's been studying MS for decades and made some groundbreaking discoveries. Dr. Trapp found that a type of cell called an astrocyte might play a role in myelin repair. Astrocytes are like the support crew of the nervous system. They help neurons do their thing. Dr. Trapp's research suggested that we might be able to coax these astrocytes into becoming myelin-making machines. Then there's Dr. Jonah Chan, another research rock star. He discovered a protein called GPR17 that seems to be involved in myelin production. This protein could hold the key to unlocking the secrets of myelin regeneration. With these scientific sleuths on the case, things were starting to look up for a potential MS breakthrough. Hold on to your lab coats, folks, because this next part is surprising. Researchers stumbled upon a curious finding while studying a common antihistamine drug. You know, the kind you take for allergies? Well, it turns out this antihistamine also seems to promote myelin repair in animal studies.
So
now, we're not saying you should raid your medicine cabinet just yet, but this unexpected discovery opened up a whole new avenue of research. Scientists got to work, tweaking the structure of the antihistamine to make it even better at promoting myelin repair, and thus, a potential new drug was born. Section 5, PIPE-307, a drug with potential. Enter PIPE-307, the underdog drug with a funny name and a whole lot of potential. PIPE-307 is a modified version of that original antihistamine. Scientists tweaked its chemical structure to enhance its myelin-boosting powers, and guess what? It worked. In animal studies, PIPE-307 showed remarkable results. Mice with MS-like symptoms experienced significant improvements in their myelin after being treated with PIPE-307.
No way.
Their nerve signals started zipping along much faster, like a well-oiled machine. This was a major victory in the quest for an effective MS treatment.
Oh yeah.
Section 6, Trials in Tailwags, Promising Results. Of course, we can't jump for joy based on animal studies alone. We need to see how this drug performs in humans, and that's where clinical trials come in. The good news is that early clinical trials of PIPE-307 have shown promising results. Patients with relapsing remitting MS, the most common type of MS, experienced a reduction in brain lesions. That means less damage to their precious myelin. These trials are still ongoing, but the early data is definitely encouraging. It's like watching a science experiment unfold right before our eyes, and the results so far are giving us a whole lot of hope. Section 7, the future of MS treatment. Fingers crossed. So what does the future hold for PIPE-307 and the millions of people living with MS? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Larger and longer-term clinical trials are underway to confirm the drug's effectiveness and safety. Scientists are also exploring other potential applications for PIPE-307. such as treating other neurological disorders that involve myelin damage. The possibilities are incredibly exciting. We're all eagerly awaiting the results of these trials, hoping that PIPE-307 lives up to its potential and becomes a game changer for MS treatment. Section 8. Never give up on the power of science. The journey to find a cure or effective treatment for any disease is rarely a straight line. It's more like a roller coaster ride with twists, turns, and occasional loop-de-loops. But one thing's for sure, scientists are a persistent bunch. They never give up on their pursuit of knowledge and their desire to improve human health. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, PIPE-307 will be the breakthrough we've all been waiting for. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of science to change the world.
Alright, I've been falling a lot lately, and like literally, I think 3 times in the last 2 weeks, I've knocked this desk over with my computer on it and my camera, everything on it. Although, put it back up and everything works out, so that's good. Everything works, nothing broke. Anyway, I was gonna say I got a cane here. It's cool, I think. It's like a bamboo stick type. But you know what? I have like too much pride to use this. I don't know what it is. I just can't swallow that. Pride is just hurts so bad to have to use a cane. Alright guys, this video is too long. Just gonna say thank you for watching and be good or be good at it.